Hey everyone, this is John Rollins. Take a look at this truck I have today. This is a 2004 Ford F-350 crew cab, short bed, four-wheel drive with a 6.0 liter Powerstroke turbo diesel. Now this truck has been fully bulletproofed. It's EGR deleted. It's got new head gaskets. It's got ARP Head Studs, and it's very, very clean. Rear park assist, factory tow package, spray-in liner, set up with fifth wheel rails, sliding rear window. You've got the smoke third brake light. You've got the smoked out LED rear tail lights, fuel wheels, 4-inch exhaust. Very, very clean truck. The tires are like brand new. They're Goodyear Duratrax. Black running boards, tow mirrors, cab lights. It's got the Harley Davidson style headlights. This would be a sport package with the painted color match bumper and grills. The tires are like brand new. It's got new built-in shocks all the way around. Let's go ahead and take a look inside. These Lariat trucks are fully loaded. This has the tan interior, nice wood grain accents, full power windows, locks, power mirrors, power seats on both sides. They are heated as well. The seats are in beautiful shape. Yeah, WeatherTech floor mats. This truck does have an Edge CTS monitor. 116,069 miles on the truck. There are no lights on the dash. This truck fires up, runs perfectly cold, runs perfectly warm. Very, very strong running truck. Kenwood radio. There's your climate controls, four-wheel drive controls. You've got a front center console. The box for the inside, everything in there. The tuner is in the truck as well. You've got a little rip right here in the armrest on the driver's seat. Overhead console. Driver rear door panel looks perfect. The rear seats are in beautiful shape. You've got the WeatherTech mat in the rear as well. Now the bottoms of the seats lift up. You've got these nice metal trays that'll fold out for you if you need to haul anything inside the cab. There are no odors in the interior. This is a non-smoking truck. The headliner is in beautiful shape. Here's another look at your dash. The passenger rear door panel looks perfect. This is just a very, very clean truck. It's been very well maintained. Front passenger door panel again looks perfect like the rest. Front passenger seat is in beautiful shape. Let's take a look at the motor. 6.0 Powerstroke turbo diesel. The truck's got newer batteries in it, coolant filtration system, ARP Head Studs, EGR Delete, black ram air intake, 4-inch exhaust. It's a very, very clean truck. Again, my name's John Rollins. If you're interested in this truck, feel free to contact me directly at 614-563-9999. I have financing available, I take trades, I have nationwide shipping. This is a 2004 truck with only 116,000 miles, and it's in beautiful shape. You will not be disappointed. Give me a call. Thank you.